नमस्ते, मैं हूं डॉक्टर अभिष्टिता एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं फैबीफ्लू टैबलेट के बारे में. Now first let's understand that Fabiflu tablet is nothing but a brand name. What it primarily consists of is a molecule which is known as favipiravir. It's an antiviral drug and it acts by stopping the multiplication of the virus in your body and hence reducing the viral load. Now, which are the situations in which we would prescribe a Fabiflu tablet? Well, if you're infected with the coronavirus and have a COVID-19 infection, if the infection is primarily mild to moderate, and what it will do is by reducing the viral load, it will help in faster recovery from the infection. Next, of course, we move on to Fabiflu dosage. Firstly, never self-medicate with the tablet. Always take the tablet as prescribed by a doctor. Generally, on day 1, we give 1800 milligrams as a loading dose, and then from day 2 onwards, we split the dose into 800 milligrams morning as well as night. The duration will be determined by your treating doctor or physician. From Fabiflu dosage, we move on to Fabiflu side effects. The most common Fabiflu side effects are diarrhea, a derangement in liver enzymes, an increase in uric acid levels, and some people may also experience psychiatric symptoms. Now, are there any contraindications or situations in which you should not take Fabiflu? Well, if you have a chronic kidney disease, a chronic liver disease, or are known to have allergies to certain antiviral drugs or certain molecules which are similar to favipiravir, then of course it would be contraindicated for you to take the medication. Certain situations which you should avoid taking the medication or it's left up to the discretion of your doctor is if you're pregnant, if you're breastfeeding, you should definitely avoid taking the medication because there are not enough studies or trials to tell us if it is safe to take during pregnancy or breastfeeding. But in certain situations where it is required or the infection is progressing very fast, the doctor might decide to go ahead and prescribe you with Fabiflu. Like I said, it's left up to your doctor's discretion. Of course, avoid taking alcohol when you're taking a prescription of Fabiflu. Now, there are certain drug interactions also that Fabiflu tablet has with other tablets. Certain anti-tuberculosis medicine like pyrazinamide, certain anti-diabetic medicines like repaglinide, certain medications which are used to treat herpes infection, could be certain drug interactions with the Fabiflu tablet. It is very important to remember that Fabiflu tablet should never be taken as an over-the-counter medication. You always should go to your doctor. If your doctor decides that you require Fabiflu or Favipiravir for faster recovery from a COVID-19 infection, they will prescribe the tablet to you and take it exactly as it is being prescribed by your doctor. Don't try to increase or reduce the dose on yourself. Never self-medicate with a Fabiflu tablet. If you have any more questions or queries, you can leave a comment in the section below after the video ends, and we would do our best to answer any queries that you might have. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.